Now look, what you do is come up here to make this right. You go halfway out, then we get right in the mirror right there and watch those trailer wheels. They'll tell us how far to go out. And what you look at, see that tractor tire? When that gets wider than the trailer, you can start your turn. See how we're even all the way down? Wait till the tractor tire gets wetter. Now don't bring the trailer wheels in too soon. Just go out there, that's it. Let your trailer wheels tell you what to do. Tighten it up, tighten it up, tighten it up. See, tighten it up. Tighten it up according to your trailer wheels. That's it. Bring it in, that's it. Beautiful.